Hi there, Roberta. This is Mary. Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone last week. I just wanted to get this video over to you just kind of to give you some background on what we do. I am the CEO and co-founder of the principal marketing firm. It's just me and my husband, like I said on the phone. But let's just jump right into the video. I don't really want to talk about myself. I want to talk about these three main topics that you can do today to help you just kind of give your business a jump in the digital marketing world. So currently we have your site right here. It has under 1,500 words, and Google would like to have over 1,500 words to be optimized. Your competitors over here, we use the A1 Fence. They currently have 1,300 words, but if we beat them, then that way Google will see that you are the authority. So we also want to focus on keyword content. So over here, we use a site called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is going to be a site that profoundly is going to look at your backlinks and your referring domains, and then also the organic traffic that you get coming in. So you get about 332 people coming in. You have 257 backlinks and 41 referring domains. The way that I like to look at backlinks is going to be sites that are referring back to you that are reliable. So if you had a site that was called Fence Las Vegas Contractors, that's a referable site to link back at your site because it has to do with the same exact topic that what you're dealing with right now, which is fencing. One that wouldn't be referring would be like Pizza Hut slinging back at you because that would make no sense at all. Now, currently, your other competitors over here, they have 3.4K backlinks and 226 referring domains. We can take whatever backlinks that they're using or their referring domains, and I'll click into this just so you can see a little bit more of like what I mean. And we can see what the DR is, which is going to be your highest value for the volume that we want to grab. And we can see which one is going to be best for you. So like lawn care services, yahoosites.com, we want to get you on these kind of sites, and we can take the sites that they're on and put you on those directories. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about with you is going to be citations. So citations are going to be in the Google Map Pack, which is this area right here. It's just like the area people want to click on to see exactly where you're located, your hours, and your business name. That's kind of what the Google Map Pack is going to need to get you on there. And we obviously would love to put a website on there as well, which would be your website. But you want to be ranked highly in that. And to do this, you need citations. Now, currently, we want to beat out the citations that the A1 Fence has to get you on to this Google Map Pack. Again, I did research Las Vegas fence companies. You do want to be highly rated. There's a volume of 320 clicks per month just on Las Vegas fence companies. And this is where you see this right here. And this is going to be a keyword. So you want to stick to those high maintaining keywords. Now to jump into keywords, I go back to Ahrefs over here and I want to click on what keywords you have that are going to be pretty high, right? So you have some good volume over here. You have fencing contractors and then fencing contractor as well. And we want to make sure that we get high volume and low KDs. So these are the top two that we see that you have currently. Now your competitors over here, we can click on their organic keywords. And again, we can grab their keywords and put them on your guys' websites. It's very crucial to do that. We see that they have these volume and KDs as well over here, but we can grab other ones that are over here as well. Even sliding driveway gate, like just things that are going to be referring over to your page. Now, the things that we talked about today, I know I'm speaking a little bit fast. I know that this might be a lot to take in, is going to be best for your company though, right? So we talked about your content, which is having 1,500 words optimized on the first page of your site. That way you're beating out your competition by a landslide, but you're also reverting back over to making sure that Google is seeing that you're optimized in their eyes. Also, we talked about backlinks, making sure that you have those correct links linking back to you that are going to be giving you the best out of your website, but also out of your company, like Yelp and Yellow Book and Facebook. Even Facebook has backlinks. And then we also talked about citations, making sure we get you on that Google Map Pack, you being seen first, being ranked on there. Little key fun fact is that people 70% of people click on the first and second page of Google. After that, you only have 30% of people that click on the other pages, and that's not a very high number. We want to get you in that 70% range. So if you have any further questions at all, feel free to contact me or my husband. Again, my name is my name is Mary, and his name is Devin. If you have any questions at all, you can also email us. I will be putting our cell phone numbers in the email. So please don't hesitate to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you, to see your thoughts, and maybe if you'd like any further information. We also do things through Google advertisement. We also do things through Facebook and YouTube advertisement as well. And we also stick to branding people and making sure that we are in charge of their social media if they like that as well. So just give us a call or an email back. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great one. Bye-bye.